What do you think will replace the dollar? Where do you see the dollar heading, and what will we be trading in 15 years? This is why I love real assets. This is why I love real estate.
Well, unfortunately, I think it probably will be CBDCs, and I'm praying that the industry gets together and people get together and ensures that no government can control your access to that. It might be Bitcoin, but I think that would be more of the global reserve currency if more and more governments like El Salvador buy into it. But, with anything, the U.S. has a control over the money supply, the global money supply through the dollar. Do you think they want to give that up? No. There's many advantages if you're the reserve currency around the world. Many, many advantages. They don't want to give that up. So it's going to be a huge, massive fight. And you're starting to see this unveil itself through the SEC because they were given an excuse by us. So I see two versions of a future. CBDC, actually three. More of a Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin could become the reserve currency, but that will take a lot of psychological change amongst everybody. And that's going to be tough given all the scams that have happened, even though they're not related to Bitcoin at all. Bitcoin's truly decentralized, meaning no one controls it. The computer program controls it essentially. Or some sort of hybrid approach, like it's a CBDC and it's Bitcoin, just in case some of these governments get out of control. You at least have that can be traded around the world. And then absolutely, and you ask any banker, Goldman Sachs, Citi, security tokens, tokenization by 2030 is going to be I think it's a $30 trillion industry. Real estate has a value of $360 trillion globally right now. All of that's going to be tokenized, and I'll put any amount of money you want on this. That's the future. Well, it might take a while to get there, but that is the future, because who wouldn't want to break these things of value into little pieces and be able to trade it, attach smart contracts to it so you can do really cool things. That's going to happen. It's just going to take some time. So that is the future I see. I don't know who wins the CBDC Bitcoin fight, but I do know most things of value, especially over $1 million, will be tokenized.